My people, girls fight, no they finish oh. Now so I see this one. If una see fight, all because of man. They say the girlfriend, like they be two friends. Now so one can they tackle the other one, say, you, why you go tell my boyfriend say I they cheat? Oh more. Before you know it, I just hear wah. They just sound that one ear. When they shout, my head, my head. I mean, my people, no me. See, I don't want just they talk this thing, they laugh at myself. Now why I bring this video because I want make una watch all the. Una don't see zongo girls they fight before. Now I bring for now because join me, make we watch the video.
They know that one you wrong. Papa, what did make you tell my boyfriend? Your boyfriend let chat me up. Your boyfriend, they tell you that me the I chat me. Oh my head! I want to see me. I said, come on, I said, come on. Mama, please. I said, come on.
Almost slap. Chai! Don't even they shout, my head, my head. Your head, when they go do amebo, you don't know say your head is there. Hi, Charlie. Everybody they think of money. Some people they think of corona. Some people they think of people who don't die. Some other people their own are to fight for man. I'm not just my people. This 2021, leave them. 2021 I follow come with problems. That girl want thief your boyfriend, my sister. She they set the foundation. You understand? She even tell say now your boyfriend chat me up. Now your boyfriend chat me up. You even boss, they talk. Gundus get power. Gundus. See how everybody, see how they want break their head because of man. Chai. No. See, why you go snitch on your fellow girl? Why? If you get girl wey be your friend and you see say this girl wey no clean, you no pure, maybe the guy dey try, na why you dey try help? Talk to your friend, tell her say, babe, the way you dey go, this guy na good guy, you no suppose treat am like that. Advise am, e go shock you, she fit even change. You go dey snitch on person, you go dey talk. In the first place, why you even get your friend boyfriend number? Hey, fear girls oh. Now so they go do we are just friends. You're just checking up. I beg, I fit check on my boyfriend by myself. I don't need you to check on my boyfriend. Who tell you say my hand they pay me? I fit type. I'm just checking on him. I don't encourage cheating. No. I don't encourage cheating. No, get me wrong. But see, if you allow this guy cause fight between you now, my sister. Especially you where you go carry big mouth, then they talk. See, last, these people they go use you settle. Then last again, you go miss, you no go get friend, you no go still date the guy where you want fight for. It make you get you better start deleting that boy number. Start deleting that boy number. I don't see any reason why. Even if see my people, forget that thing where people they talk say and we've been friends before. See, even if you and guy be friends before I date time, once I enter that picture, not be say you go delete them, but you go dey mind your step. You understand? You go dey mind that your step. They very, very careful. I'm not inside that nonsense. Friends. Go check guy now where they fight for. You go be one zongo. You know these ghetto lovers. One zongo guy where in hair say boxer said he never change for 3 days. Now in these two girls the year they fight. People they think of money. If only these two girls know how money they important this period. They go even shift that guy one side. Now they fight for man. People they think of money. See, keep your man away from your friends, girls. Una not gonna understand me now, but later, especially those of you who don't go through this kind of thing, una go understand me. I know say una go relate. Keep your men far from your girlfriends, because some of your girlfriends, now the comment be that you feel complete and by yourself. Some of them, it go shock you when they don't snatch that one. Come out now, your eye go open. No be everybody where they say they be your friend. No be all of them they be your friends. Oh. Some of them get another agenda. If you notice sometimes sef if you dey argue with your boyfriend, now your friend go even dey tell you leave him, it's not worth it, leave him. When you leave am, next 2 weeks na their matter you go dey see for internet. E go dey do you like dream. I know wetin I dey talk about. My people, no be small thing dey happen for this zongo side o. Na I say make I bring una this matter. Abeg for una wey know any of these girls, biko deliver my message. You understand? Deliver this message, make they focus, make they look for job, because I dey see say they dey very very jobless. Abeg na the matter be this, my people. Share this video, make everybody wey dey zongo, ghetto lovers, make they know how they dey fight for ghetto. You understand? Don't go far. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Very very important. I will see you now later.